It's official, bafowethu. Khanyisa Mayo have just signed a permanent deal with Kaizer Chiefs. Coach Fernando de Cruz have arrived in Kaizer at Naturena. Many things will happen. More free agents at the market. More things to talk about. More transfer updates to update you with. So make sure, bafowethu, to stay tuned to the video. Watch the whole video, bafowethu, and comment down below, bafowethu. Let's just jump straight into it together. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Amakhosi Stand Podcast. This is where ozithola khona zishisa phe. I am your host Manqoba Nqobo, all the way from Great Town. Namhlanje bafethu nginiphathele zona zishisa phe. So make sure to subscribe to the channel, watch the whole video bafethu. Iyangisiza kakhulu leyo to for YouTube to recognize my channel. Make sure you comment down below and like the video. Bafethu namhlanje I have some good updates. I have some good news. Angidiniwe, as you can see. I am relaxed and I am happy that progress is happening lapha at Naturena. Coach have arrived, more players have signed new contracts, more players are leaving, more players are being scouted by Kaizer Chiefs. So bafethu, it's happening kuningi okwenzakala lapha ku-Kaizer Chiefs. So bafethu, before ngize ngixoxe kakhulu, let's just jump straight kwindaba yanamhlanje nginiphathele yona. Khanyisa Mayo have officially signed a permanent deal with Kaizer Chiefs from CR Belouizdad. Bafethu, the situation was awkward, but finally Kaizer Chiefs have signed Umayo because lapha kwi-club yakhe they are banned to sign players. They are not allowed to sign any players because FIFA banned them. So I was thinking that CR Belouizdad will want to keep Mayo because they will want all their players to be there, as they won't be able to sign any players. But then Kaizer Chiefs did a good thing for him. I think going there again wouldn't have helped him because it would have been awkward for him. How, even though the coach is new, the technical team is new, but the management of the club is still the same. And the transfer ban happened because one of the reason was Umayo. Mayo reported some cases with them. Lots of things happened, and then yeah, I was worried about his transfer. I know last season he didn't give us a best season. We know Mayo is a best striker, but he didn't give us a good season. But let's hope he will focus on Kaizer Chiefs only now, and he knows that his future is secured with Kaizer Chiefs. And let's hope he will perform at his best. The Mayo we know from Cape Town City. He will perform and yeah, and give us more goals. I wish him all the best. I wish him all success. If you also wish Mayo a good luck or also best success at Kaizer Chiefs, do comment down below and say good luck, Khanyisa Mayo. Thank you, Kaizer Chiefs, for making this deal permanent. I know some people wanted him to go, but I think giving him a second chance will help him mentally, will help him and his family. Yeah, I think ama-agent, ama-players ase-South Africa awothathekile because they just go for deals and then they are not sure about them. I remember the transfer window where Mayo was supposed to sign for Kaizer Chiefs, and then his agent just went to CR Belouizdad because they are North Africans team, but it didn't work out. So I want to beg South African agent players, please, if you make a deal for your player, please make sure it's a best deal. You can see about Ellis Mokwane. Ellis Mokwane was supposed to sign for Kaizer Chiefs, and then his agent decided otherwise. So Bafethu, try to do what is best for the future of South Africa, for the players. Don't just go for money. Yabo. Now Mayo, if Kaizer Chiefs wasn't if Kaizer Chiefs say Kenya and then said no, we don't want him back here, where would Mayo be? ubezoya kuphi? Back to Cape Town City and playing Mvela. No, bafethu, let's be honest and then support our players. Let's make sure agents, please make sure about the futures of South African players. Done about Kanye Samayo. I hope everyone is happy. Now, another good news I have for you. I am so excited about this because Kaizer Chiefs will finally make decisions with Coach Fernando de Cruz because he is just arrived in South Africa. He's at Naturena. He will be part of decisions that will be made by Kaizer Chiefs right now. So there are no more decisions that will be made by Kaizer Chiefs where we have some questions. Why this is happening? Because the coach haven't arrived. So, Buffett, I am happy that the coach has arrived. He will assess the players on his own. He will see which player he wants. He will see which player he doesn't want. So, Buffett, I am happy for the arrival of Coach Fernando de Cruz at Naturena. So, Buffett, let's just hope he will have a good season unless Kaizer Chiefs do what they do best, sabotage the management, and then at the end, fans will get angry and blame the coach, and then they sack him again, and then they pay him money. I, Buffett. So, Buffett, as Fernando de Cruz have arrived, I think many players will depart at Kaizer Chiefs. Many players will sign new contracts. I'm not sure which players are actually departing at Kaizer Chiefs, but I can feel there's Sereno. I don't think he will be staying one more season at Kaizer Chiefs. There are more players who could leave Kaizer Chiefs. There are more players who could leave Kaizer Chiefs, but and then let's hope Coach Fernando de Cruz will make best decisions for club, for his future of the club. Yeah, so thank you for bringing Coach Fernando de Cruz in South Africa, so he will make the decisions of his own. But first, I have another breaking news of player linked with Kaizer Chiefs. He's not signed yet. They are just rumors. He's a center mid or a CDM. He's 28 from Zimbabwe. His name is Abubakar Moffat. I think if you are following me on Facebook, you should have saw the post by now. I've made many posts about him. So if you follow me in my Facebook on my Facebook page, you see more breaking news, more rumors about potential signings of Kaizer Chiefs. This guy is 28 and he can play box to box and he can play CDM. Kusitshela ngalokho kusitshela ukuthi one of the midfielders lapha Kaizer Chiefs could leave Kaizer Chiefs this season. I'm not sure who, but my heart tells me that it could be Sibongiseni Mthethwa, or yeah, I think it could be him. I don't know, but yeah. And you can see the way Kaze and at Skokuni, they are letting players go left and right. So they will be ready to pick up those players who will not sign contracts with Kaizer Chiefs. They will do pick up them. So yeah. About Bafetu, I had another breaking news. I posted a short video here on my YouTube channel about Peter Shalulile being a free agent. I don't know if you guys will like him at Kaizer Chiefs or you'll prefer Umabasa over Ushalulile. But for me personally, I would go for Ushalulile because I know his qualities. I know he's a player who can drop in and play the ball and then collect the ball and run with it and also have a capability to shoot. While as Mabasa is a target man, he just stays there in the box and hit the ball, just receive crosses. And we have that kind of striker already at Naturena with Da Silva, who stays at the box and then receive crosses, through balls, and then shoots. But we also need a centre forward because he can drop in and play with midfielders and wingers and create chances. That is Shalulile. He's rapid, quick. He has a good finish, but I don't know what will happen. I'm not saying he's coming to Kaizer Chiefs. I'm just saying that I would like him at Kaizer Chiefs. He can be a good addition since we'll have many games next season. But first, you can tell me, what do you think about the conversation? Would you like Peter Shalulile or Umabasa? Or do you think Kaizer Chiefs will go with Umabasa over Peter Shalulile? Because we need an experienced striker, a striker who's Betway Premiership proven, who knows how the South African League works. So yeah, and we know what can Mabasa bring to Kaizer Chiefs. We know what can Shalulile bring at Kaizer Chiefs. What do you think, Buffett? Who do you think Kaizer Chiefs should go for? Who would you like, Mabasa, or would you like Peter Shalulile? Do comment down below. Thank you for watching the video, Buffett. Do make sure to subscribe to the channel, and also like the video. Comment down below with my content. Thank you, Buffett.